let me show you a very easy way on how to install VS Code on your PC. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to go to your Chrome and you're going to type VS Code. Click enter. This first link, you're going to click it and it's going to bring you to the VS Code website. You are just going to come to your download here, click your download, and if you are using a Windows or a Mac, so this is going to click your operating system. I'm going to click Windows, and so after clicking on Windows, your download will start right away. You come here, you can see VS Code is already downloading, so we are just going to wait for it to download. So yes, it's done downloading. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to click here and it's going to take you to the direct folder. Then you're going to run as administrator. You click yes. So you are going to click I accept and I agree. You're going to click next. So you're just still going to click next. You're still going to click next. Yes, if you want VS Code to appear as an icon on your desktop, you are going to click here. And if you want to add, I'll just advise you to add all of this, and probably yes, add this if you're a beginner. If you're just starting off with VS Code, you can add that form, but for me, I will not do that. So I click next, you click install, and you just have to wait for it. Yes, you are just going to click finish. So to get started with it, you're just going to come to your search bar, search for VS Code. You're going to press, for me, I want to pin it to taskbar, so it's going to appear here. So when I click it, it's going to open for me. So now you have your VS Code installed. You can now start coding. Yes, you can now start coding. This is actually the first thing you're going to see.
So do it to like and comment. Follow me for more programming tips.
Dreams in the syntax.
Thank you.
They intertwine.